To begin the installation of the Type S App View backup camera, remove your license plate and set it aside. Locate the reverse taillights wiring behind your reverse light. You may need to remove the interior panel in order to locate. You only need to attach the camera to one of the reverse lights, not both. If you cannot locate the taillight cables, please contact the vehicle manufacturer or reference a wiring diagram for your vehicle. Isolate the reverse light bulb and its wiring harness. Now, feed the backup camera's power cable to your reverse taillight. This will be unique for every vehicle. Using the provided snap lock splice connectors, connect the camera's red wire to the taillight's positive wire. Use pliers to squeeze down the metal tab to ensure a solid connection. Close the snap lock splice connectors once complete. Next, connect the camera's black wire to the taillight's negative wire. Use pliers to squeeze down the metal tab and then snap the plastic cover closed. Once connected, put the vehicle into accessory mode and shift the vehicle into reverse. Open your Wi-Fi settings on your iOS or Android device and connect to the Type S backup cam network using the password admin. Open the Type S Drive app and select the backup camera view. If you can see the camera view clearly, the installation was successful. You can now proceed to securing all wires with the provided zip ties. Secure all bulbs that were removed and replace any panels that were removed. Remove the tape backing from the backup camera and slide the camera over the license plate. Press down firmly to secure the camera to the plate. If the camera does not fit on top of the license plate, you can remove the camera bracket and install the camera on the bottom of the license plate. Check out the info section within the app to get further instructions on the functions of the app. If you have any questions or comments, please reference the user manual or contact customer support. Information is in the description.